In this video, I'm going to show you some solving exercises about alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, cycloalkanes, aromatic compounds, alkyl halide, carboxylic acids, alcohols, ketones, aldehydes, and esters. Starting with the first molecule, number 1, this molecule is called octane because it contains 8 carbon atoms. It's a straight chain alkane. Number 2, here we have alkene molecule, from which end I have to start numbering. For sure I will start numbering from left to right because I'm going to give the priority for the double bond, not for the substituents. So give the double bond the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the name of this molecule is 5,5-dimethyl 3-heptene. Moving to the third molecule, this molecule is a branched cycloalkane. The cycloalkane is here. Here we have cyclopentane. It contains 5 carbon atoms. On this carbon we have ethyl group and another ethyl group on this carbon atom. So the name of this molecule is, I will start numbering from any ethyl carbon you want, and then if you choose this one you have to move clockwise, go in a way that gives the lowest possible value. So 1, 2, 3. So the name of this molecule is 1,3-diethyl cyclopentane. Moving to molecule number 4. Here we have an alkene molecule. I'll start numbering from the nearest double bond from this end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have ethyl group on carbon number 3 and another ethyl group on carbon number 4. So the name of this compound is 3,4-diethyl 2-hexene. I mentioned the position of the double bond. It's between 2 and 3, so you mention number 2. Number 5, this molecule is called benzene. Moving to molecule number 6. This is a branched chain alkane, so I will start numbering from this carbon. 1, 2, 3, So the parent chain is decane, and there are three alkyl groups, three methyl groups on carbon number 2, carbon number 7, and carbon number 8. So it will be 2, 7, 8. I will use prefix tri to indicate the quantity of methyl groups on this molecule. Trimethyl decane. Molecule number 7, this molecule is an alkyne molecule because it contains triple bond. So start numbering for sure from the end that's near to the triple bond. So the parent chain here is called octyne, and there is an ethyl group on carbon number 6, so it will be 6 ethyl, 2 octyne. Moving to molecule number 8. This molecule is a cycloalkane. It contains two substituents, chloro and methyl. So for sure, you start numbering according to the alphabetical order. So chloro will take number 1 and methyl will take number 2. It will be 1 chloro, 2 methyl, cyclobutane, because it contains 4 carbon atoms. The cycloalkane contains 4 carbon atoms. It's called cyclobutane. Moving to number 9. Here we have only one methyl group on this cyclopentane, so the name is, without mentioning any number because it's only one substituent, it will be 1 methyl, sorry, without number 1, it will be methyl cyclopentane. Number 10, because the chain, straight chain, has more carbon atoms than the cyclo, so I will take the straight chain as a parent alkane and the cyclo as a substituent. So the name will be 2-cyclopropylbutane. Number 11, I will give ethyl group number 1 and methyl number 2. Why? Based on the alphabetical order. Number the cycloalkane. If cycloalkane with 2 substituents, number it based on the alphabetical order. So E will take number 1, while M will take number 2. So the name of this molecule is called 1-ethyl 2-methyl cyclohexane. This ring contains 6 carbon atoms. Number 13, here we have aromatic compound because it contains benzene ring, but on this benzene ring there is a bromine atom. So the name of this molecule is molecule number 12 without putting any number because only one substituent. Bromo, benzene. Moving to number 13. Here in this benzene ring there are three substituents. The correct way, or the way that gives the lowest possible numbers, is to start numbering from methyl. 1, 2, 4. So it will be, then mention the substituents in the alphabetical order. It will be 2,4 dichloro 1 methyl benzene. For sure, don't forget to ignore the prefix di in the alphabetical order. In molecule number 14, we have an aromatic compound. It contains 3 branches or 3 substituents. All these substituents are the same methyl group. Start numbering from any branch you want because all possibilities give the same value. Let's start numbering from this carbon 1 and moving clockwise 3, 5. So this molecule is called 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene. Molecule number 15. Here we have a carboxylic acid. To name a carboxylic acid, start numbering from the carbonyl carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a bromo on carbon number 3, so it will be 3 bromo butanoic acid. Remember that we drop E from butane because this chain contains 4 carbon atoms, so instead of butane we say butanoic. We drop E and we put this suffix OIC acid. Moving to number 16. Number 16 is also a carboxylic acid. The name of this compound is butanoic or 2-methyl butanoic acid. Why? Because start numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the methyl group on carbon number 2. So the name is 2-methyl butanoic acid. Number 17. Start numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the longest chain. So on carbon number 2 there is a branch called isopropyl. So the name of this compound is 2-isopropyl pentanoic acid because the chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Moving to number 18, here we have also a carboxylic acid. I will start numbering from the carbonyl carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we have three substituents, three methyl groups. This is the first one, the second, and the third. So it will be 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexanoic acid. Molecule number 19. Here we have alcohol. We start numbering from the end that gives the carbon that holds the OH group the lowest number. So you can start numbering from any end you want, because these two possibilities give the same number for the carbon that's holding the OH group. So I will start numbering from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the name of this compound is 4-methyl 4-heptanol. Remember that you have to mention the position of the OH group. On which carbon is it? Moving to number 20. This molecule is called cyclohexanol. Number 21. The longest chain is this one. I will start numbering from this end because it's near to the OH group. So here we have two alkyl groups. This is ethyl group and this is methyl group. So the name of this molecule is, starting with ethyl, 3-ethyl 4-methyl 2-hexanol. Because OH group on carbon number 2. Moving to question number 22. The name of this compound is 3-ethyl 1-pentanol. Why? Because you should start numbering from this carbon: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an ethyl group, and the OH group on carbon number 1, so it will be 3-ethyl 1-pentanol. Question number 23. Here this molecule is an aldehyde molecule because it contains this functional group. Remember, R C. Double bond OH. This functional group is an aldehyde. So the name of this molecule is, give the carbon of the carbonyl group number 1 and move to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So on carbon number 4 there are two methyl groups. So the name of this molecule is 4,4-dimethyl pentanal. Moving to question number 24. I will start numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the name of this molecule is 2-chloro 3-methyl hexanal. Moving to question number 25. Number 25, we have a ketone molecule. Once you see carbon double bond oxygen between two carbon group chains, so this is a ketone molecule. So the name of this molecule is, I will start numbering from the nearest, from the end that gives the carbonyl group a lowest number. So I will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So on carbon number 5 there is a bromine atom, so it will be 5 bromo, 2 methyl, 4 heptanone. Moving to question number 26. Here we have a ketone molecule. I will start from here, start numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on carbon number 3 there are methyl and ethyl groups. On carbon number 4 there is an ethyl group. So the name of this molecule is 3,4-diethyl 3-methyl 2-hexanone. Moving to question number 27. So I will start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So on carbon number 5 there is an ethyl group, and on carbon number 6 there is a methyl group. So the name is, this is a ketone molecule, so the name is 5-ethyl 6-methyl 4-octanol. Number 28, here we have an ester molecule. Remember that in an ester molecule there is an alcohol part and an acid part. So first we put the name of alcohol part, then we mention the name of the acid part, but instead of IC ending I put ATE. So instead of pentanoic acid you put pentanoate. So the name of this molecule number 28 is propyl. This is the alcohol side. There are 3 carbons, 1, 2, 1, and here we have 2 carbon atoms, so the total is 3 carbon atoms on in the alcohol part, so it will be propyl. And in the acid part there are 5 carbon atoms. This is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be propyl pentanoate. Moving to question number 29. Here we have in the alcohol part 5 carbon atoms, so it will be pentyl, and in the acid part we have 3 carbon atoms, it will be propanoate, so the name is pentyl propanoate. Question number 30 is, this molecule is called propyl butanoate. The last one, number 31, is ethyl methanoate, because in the acid part there is only 1 carbon, so it will be methanoate, and in the alcohol part there are 2 carbon atoms, it will be ethyl. So ethyl methanoate.